This is an innovation and commercial design project directed towards the company Wilkos. Simple research in the form of mood boards and activity tracking have been done to further understand Wilkos' brand. The project was rather CAD heavy, so not many physical drawings were done, except for the initial ideas. Once developments were made, technical drawings were done to ensure my design had tight tolerances. Manufacturing details such as ribs and lips and grooves were used in this project. This gave the project some authenticity. Exploded drawings allowed me to see what components would go where, while reverse engineering research allowed me to go into specific detail. A mold flow analysis was undertaken to see how my design would do against injection molding processes. In the later stages, the product was then 3D printed by myself. It came out a little rough, but I smoothed it over. The hero board created illustrates some key areas of the project that were done well.